Struggling to track your Walmart sales? Here's how to download Wfs Reports. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group. Let's dive in. Okay, so you need to log into Walmart, and there's a lot of different reports tabs. Let me just show you some of them. So there's the Manage Reports tab. So what you're gonna do is go to Analytics, then Reports, and this is where you can find a lot of different reports. So we've got the item report, inventory report. Let's look at this. I'm gonna request the report, and we're gonna pull that up in just a second. So this is the inventory report. It's actually taking a little bit longer to download, but what we really wanna see is the WFS reports. So to get to the WFS reports, we're just gonna go to the WFS tab. And then once we go to the WFS tab, you can go to inventory or different reports right here. If we go to the WFS tab and we go to reports, you can see you can get the order reports, customer return reports, multi-box item reports. These reports download a lot faster than the ones I just showed on the analytics tab. The analytics tab, it's already been 10 minutes and it's still not done, but these ones look like they're optimized WFS and they download very quickly. Now, if we download the customer return reports, we can see what it looks like, and it literally is telling us our ID, why the customer is returning, right, incorrect item, changed mind, and we can see what's going on. Why is the customer actually returning our item? So that's really cool to see. And then we can see GMV, item conversion. Let's see other ones. Inventory, so inbound receipts, how many we return to seller, inventory, the history, inventory movements of an item, inventory health, payments, inbound transportation, and another important one that you want to keep track of is your storage fees. How much are you getting charged for Walmart storage? Is it actually less than Amazon storage fees? And the answer is yes, it is. But you can still look at it and make sure they're not overcharging you, and how to reduce your customer return rate. All very important reports. Now, one of my favorite reports is this one right here. All you do is go to WFS, then inventory. And what I like about Walmart is they have this download option on almost every tab, where you can just download the report right here. It'll like instantly download all of the inventory and what you see on file. You can also do it with your catalog, but it literally shows you your item name, your daily sales, units sold, available to sell, and when you're gonna be out of stock. It also has a recommendation on how many units to order. It shows your inbound units, reservations, unavailable to sell, daily units. A lot of great stuff here, and that's pretty much where you can get all of your reports at within Walmart. So you go to WFS reports, and you can go to every single tab and also download individual reports to see that type of data. That's it for today's video. Leave a comment below on what you think about Walmart, and if you're making money on Walmart yourself. If you learned something new, drop a like. If you're a Walmart seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel, because we're giving away great content that's gonna help you in your Walmart journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Walmart, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, our #1 service is our full A to Z Walmart account management service. This is where we'll fully manage your inventory, calling Walmart, customer service, advertising, increasing sales, and much, much more. The benefit of this service is so you can spend time working on your business instead of in your business every day, like calling Walmart for hours on end to fix an issue, or figuring out how do you increase your sales on Walmart. We know how, we've done it before. Save time, money, and increase your sales with ehpconsultinggroup.com. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.